Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, Khairukum man ta'allama al-Qur'ana wa 'allamahu. The best among you are those who learn the Quran and teach it. My name is Hafiz Aamir. So right now I'm going to take an online class, one of my students from Australia, her name Laiba. So actually she is memorizing Surah Yaseen from me. Actually she has memorized, almost she has memorized, and also she is reading Quran Pak from me. So let's see how she is reading right now Surah Yaseen. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Laiba, how are you?
I'm good.
Are you okay? Very good. And how is your family, Laiba?
Fine.
Fine, very good. Okay, so Laiba, today we have a lesson about Surah Yaseen. You already memorized Surah Yaseen. Again, today you have to revise Surah Yaseen. I want to check how you memorized and how you are reading right now. If you are making still some mistakes, so I will cover your mistakes. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So now start reading from Surah Yaseen.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ياسين والقرآن الحكيم إنك لمن المرسلين على صراط مستقيم تنزيل العزيز الرحيم لتنذر قوما ما أنذر آباؤهم فهم غافلون لقد حق القول على أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون.
Very good.
إنا جعلنا في أعناقهم أغلالا فهي إلى الأذقان فهم مقمحون.
Wait a minute. Read again from Inna Ja'alna.
إنا جعلنا في أعناقهم أغلالا فهي إلى الأذقان فهم مقمحون.
No, wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute, Laiba. This is the letter is you are reading Mukmahun. Your reading is mashallah very good. Your almost your tajweed is now improving. But this is a letter. I want to explain you something. This is the letter is calcula letters Qaf. You can see Qaf with the two dots. This is the letter, the calcula letters. So you have to make a calcula on this one letter. Did you understand what you have to do? You have to make a calcula on that one letter. Calcula mean it's a bouncy sound letters. When we have to read, there are actually 5 bouncy sound letters. I already explained you. Qaf, ta, ba, jim, and dal letters. These are the letters are called bouncy sound letters or qalqala letters. So qalqala means when we have to read these are the letters, so we have to make a bouncy sound on these letters. Bouncy sound means for example, if you having a ball in your hand and you are hitting this ball on the wall, so automatically you will heard another sound. Did you understand? So this is the call is the bouncy sound letters. Bouncy sound. Okay, so when we have to make a bouncy sound, when these are the letters, calcula letters mean Qaf, ta, ba, jim, and dal. Whenever these are the letters will be a sakin position, mean when they're having a jazm sign, is a sukoon symbol on that one. So that time we have to make a bouncy sound on this one. Sukoon symbol on that one. So that time we have to make a bouncy sound on this one. Bouncy sound mean when we have to make a bouncy sound. When someone in letter going to hit the letters from bouncy sound letters, that time we have to make a bouncy sound. We have to make a calcula. So now you can see this is a letter is meme letter. Meme is going to hit the letter Qaf, right? You can see meme of beige. Meme is going to hit the letter Qaf. So whenever a letter, any of the letters going to hit a letter from bouncy sound letter, from calcula letters, from 5 of these letters, so there will be a calcula letters, there will be a bouncy sound we have to make on these letters. So we have to read mahun. Read now.
مقمحون
Read next one.
وجعلنا من بين أيديهم سدا ومن خلفهم سدا فأغشيناهم فهم لا يبصرون
Sirun. Ba is also from calcula letters, from bouncy sound letters. We have to make a bouncy sound. This letter ja, this is the one you can see. Ja is going to hit the letter ba. Okay, it's good.
Yeah.
I'm using this word hit, is hitting this ba letter. Actually, this is a mean that ja is going to connect with this ba letter. So when is someone letter is going to hit the letter from calcula letter, there will be a bouncy sound. There will be a calcula. So sirun.
يبصرون
Read next one. Read little bit fast, okay? Little bit fast you have to read. Okay.
وسواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون
Good.
إنما تنذر من اتبع الذكر وخشي الرحمن بالغيب وبشره بمغفرة وأجر كريم.
Good.
إنا نحن نحيي الموتى ونكتب ما قدموا وآثارهم وكل شيء أحصيناه في إمام مبين.
Ahsaynahu. Little bit you have to stretch the letter. Ahsaynahu. This is the one is khari zabar, means the vertical letters is a vertical haraka. This is called vertical haraka, means the khari zabar. Ahsayna. This is stretching sign. So you have to little bit stretch this one. Ahsaynahu fi imamim mubin. Read now again.
أحصيناه في إمام مبين.
Good.
واضرب لهم مثلا أصحاب القرية إذ جاءها المرسلون.
Read again. Read again. Laiba, read again. No, wait a minute. Wait a minute. The first thing is this is a letter, dod letter. Okay, dod we have to read as a bold letter. I already explained you that dod and dal letter, these are the letters are called similar sounds letter, mean they having a same sound. Dal is we have to read thin letter, but dod letter we have to read a bold. Bold mean with full of mouth. Okay, with full mouth we have to read wow. And the second thing is rib. This is the ba letter. You have to read. We have to make a bouncy sound on that one letter. This is also a calcula letter. Wow, rib lahum masalan. Read again. Not wad. Wad. You are making wad. The.
واضرب لهم مثلا.
Not wad. Wad. You are making wad. The second sound is not coming, so not will not be there. Wad rib lahum rib. Read again.
واضرب لهم مثلا.
Okay. Next one.
أصحاب القرية إذ جاءها المرسلون.
Very good. Okay, so Laiba, wait a minute. This is the one. Could you tell me what is this sign is called?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. This is the one sign is called waqf lazim. What is that? This sign is called waqf lazim. Waqf lazim means this is a stop sign. This is the called stop sign. There is a lot of stop sign in the whole Quran. Jim is a sign, is a stop sign. Ta, lam, alif, sad, qaf. So this is the one is stop sign. Ta, stop sign. This is a Jim stop sign. Ain stop sign. So there is a lot of stop signs. So each and every stop sign, of course, this is all of these stop signs are very important. But this is a letter. This is a stop sign. Meme is most important than any of other of stop sign. So this is a stop sign is called compulsory stop. What is this sign is called? Compulsory stop. Compulsory mean is that you have to stay on this one stop sign is 100%, like stop sign. Okay, wait a minute. Compulsory stop. Okay, this is a call is a compulsory stop. So rest all stop sign, you having an option if you want to stay on that one stop on pause stop sign and gym. If you don't want to stop sign, so this is up to you. You having a chance, you have a choice if you want to stop on this stop sign or if you don't want to stay on that stop signs. But this is a mean stop sign is called a compulsory stop, so that's mean 100% we have to stay here. If we are not stopping or we are not staying on this one stop sign, so that's mean we are making a mistake. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, read after me now. واضرب لهم مثلا أصحاب القرية. Read again.
واضرب لهم مثلا أصحاب القرية
إذ جاءها المرسلون.
إذ جاءها المرسلون.
That's very good. So this is the one you can see. This is the one is mud sign. Mud sign. This is a very important. So mud sign mean this is stretching sign. We have to stretch the letters. Okay. So read again. إذ جاءها المرسلون.
إذ جاءها المرسلون.
Okay, so Laiba, that's enough now today. Just I want to check you how you are reading. So mashallah, your reading, your tajweed is improving, but still there is a lot of mistakes. Is a qalqala letters, is a ikhfa and izhar letters or gunna letters. You have to be careful on these signs, on these stop signs and on these qalqala letters. On still you have to improve in many things. But of course, this is a practice makes perfect. So you need more improvement every day. If you are continue this one, so inshallah very soon you will be able to read the Quran in a beautiful way. Okay, Laiba. Okay. So see you next time. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Goodbye.